girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
Indulge in the hidden gem of Isabel Leyte, where sun-kissed beaches meet cultural richness. Immerse yourself in a local charm, explore historical wonders, and unwind on serene shores. Isabel beckons you to discover its unique blend of tradition and natural beauty. Experience the allure of Isabel Leyte, where every moment becomes a story to cherish.
May kong piso be.
Wakay ko.
Nalay kay bago.
Oh, wala pa.
Ipanumpa kong ditikabian ug pagahuktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa ko.
As the path of having a good and refreshing place to stay and enjoy, embark on a journey of wonder and serenity at Musaka Nature Park. Nestled in the embrace of untouched beauty, this heaven invites you to escape the ordinary and explore extraordinary landscape. Traverse and winding trails through lush greenery, encounter diverse wildlife, and witness the dance of sunlight on pristine waters.
Welcome to Musaka Nature Park!
Musaka Nature Park is not just a destination, it's a sanctuary where nature's poetry unfolds with every step.
Ipanumpa kong ditikabian ug pagahuktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong duka mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanimo lang.
Musaka Nature Park has its own hotel, function area, trailing ground, pool area, and cottage. Experience the allure of unspoiled wilderness. Musaka Nature Park, where adventure and tranquility converge in perfect harmony.
Ako imong tamin o ginagiban, luyo nining tanan. O kung may klaro man ang kalibutan, ito magduha-duhaong ikaw, mahulog ka ng pumahulog sana sa ipanumpa kong ditikabian ug pagahuktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong duka mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanimo lang. Ipanumpa kong ditikabian. Ipanumpa kong ditikabian. Ipanumpa kong ditikabian. Ipanumpa kong ditikabian ug pagahuktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong duka mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanimo kaya bayubang